A very good morning, students. Welcome back to your online English class. So, today, after a long time, I hope that you all have revised the portion which I had taught you before your break. So, today, I am going to take the third lesson of Footprints Without Feet, the Midnight Visitor. So, let me introduce the chapter. The introduction to the lesson is there is a character Ozabil. Ozabil, a secret agent, is expecting a very important report. Another secret agent, Max, threatens him with a pistol demanding the report. So they both were fighting for a report. Both of them they were willing to take the credit. So does Ozabil outwit him? If yes, then how? So this we'll read in the story. So the story is about a secret agent, Osabil, who has spent an evening with a writer named Fowler, who had expected that as he would be meeting a secret agent, he would be looking into a lot of adventure. But instead, he rather gets bored when he meets Ozabil, as the things that happened were exactly the opposite of what he had imagined. Means the assistant, he had imagined that he will be very active, smart, good looking person whom he is going to meet, but he just was opposite of that. So now how Osabil gets rid of his unexpected guest proves his expertise as a secret agent. So this is the introduction of the lesson. If we see the story, so today I'll not complete this story. I'll leave something for you so that you can also read the chapter, and afterward you can guess that what would happen in the end, at the end of the story. So this story is about a secret agent named Osabil. He was with a writer named Fowler. Throughout the evening, as Fowler was interested in spending time with a secret agent. But when he spends time with Osabil, he realizes that he is exactly the opposite of what he had imagined, and that he was a bore. Osabil then told Fowler that he had been thinking wrong and that soon he would be looking at a report that would change the country's future. Then Osabil takes Fowler to his room, and when they entered the room, a guy, another person with a gun named Max, was standing in the room. He was already standing in the room, so he asked them to be comfortable until the reports about the missiles arrived in 30 minutes, as he was there to steal the reports. He wanted to steal the reports because he wanted that he should take all the credits. He should show the that report to his authorities, to the persons whom he was responsible to give. He wanted that he should show those reports, that report. So he here had come to take the reports or steal the reports from Osabil. But Osabil, as he looked from the beginning, very lazy and very like listless person, but in fact he was something different. So this was the first adventure out of many that Fowler had expected when he had thought of meeting a secret agent. While they were talking, Osabil started with a story about how a guy had entered from the balcony last month. Here he understood that he will take the report from me. He is very active. So here he used his wit. He told him a story, a very interesting story, that before you one more person had come and he wanted to take this report from me, and from this balcony he had came last month. He just told him while this talk was going on, a sudden knock was heard at the door. Ozabel said it must be the police as he wanted them to check on him after some times because he wanted to make the reports that were coming in extra secure. Max, pointing his gun towards them, said that he would be waiting in the balcony and that Ozabel should send away the police. So here we see that how he made this Max, this person Max, fool. How cleverly he got rid of him. So next, what happens in the story that we'll see on next turn. And before that, before I end this session, I just want you to read this story fully and write something about the writer, the author of the story. On next turn, I'll give you some important questions also, which will be based on paragraph. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.